Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to send money from EU to the Philippines using GCash. But before we get started, if you use the link from the description below to create your own Wise account, you will be charged no fees on the first $1,000 that you transfer using Wise. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. So here's the deal. You can send money to GCash from EU, but you'll need to use a third-party service to make this happen. And one of the most popular and reliable platforms for this is Wise. So how to do this? First things first, go to a Wise website or app and create an account. Once you're signed in, you want to click on Send from the homepage. And from here, you want to change this to Euro. Then change this to THP, to the receiving currency. And for example, we are sending 100 euro. So the payment method here, you can change this to whatever payment method that is currently on your account. So it could be debit, credit, manual bank transfer, whatever that is currently on your account. Once you're done, just go ahead and click Add Recipient. Then you want to choose e-wallet, the second option. Choose someone else. Then you have to enter their full name, wallet provider. Here's where you need to choose GCash. So click this drop down and then choose GCash. Recipient's e-wallet number, this is their phone number that is attached to their GCash. And then then enter their CD as well. Once you're done, just go ahead and click continue so you can review all the details before proceeding with the transfer. And basically, that's it. The money will be converted automatically and sent straight to your recipient's GCash wallet, usually within minutes or a few hours, depending on the method. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!